Hello, Namaste. I welcome you in this mandala tutorial video. This mandala is based on a sacred geometry symbol called Vesica Piscis. I'm so excited as it's my 100th hand-drawn mandala. Wow, what a journey. This can't be possible without your support. So thanks a lot to everyone. The Vesica Piscis is one of the most important symbols of sacred geometry. The middle part of the Vesica Piscis is called Mandala. In sacred geometry, the symbol is considered the intersection between the spiritual and the physical world. If you want to know more in details about this symbol, you can watch this separate video which is all about the Vesica Piscis. Or if you want to watch this colorful mandala of this symbol, then you can unlock this video too by joining OOK membership or the Patreon. Links are in the description below. Now let's start. Materials required. All the materials required for this mandala are given in the description of the video with their Amazon links. Mandala Guidelines. I am working on a 6-inch square paper, and the first thing is to find out the center of the paper so that we are going to divide the paper vertically and horizontally. Now time to mark at 1.5 cm to the both sides from the center. For that we are going to put our ruler at the 1.5 cm in the center of the paper and then mark at the 0 and the 3 cm on the line. After that we will draw two circles. I am using the rotator below my paper and it will help me to draw the circles quicker and faster. It is absolutely optional. So after that, I am going to draw both circles at the 1.5 cm markings on each side. This is the symbol Vesica Piscis. So simple to draw, right? As of now, I am drawing everything with the pencil as this is the guidelines and we are going to trace it later with the pen. Now mark at the 4.5 and the 5 cm from the center and draw the circles at the markings. For dividing the circle into different sections, I am using helix circle and marking at every 30 degrees like 0, 30, 60, 90, 120 and so on. Then I am going to draw diagonal lines by using these degree marks. And I'll make sure that I don't draw inside the symbol. Now, in the center part of the symbol, which is called mandala, I marked inside 5 cm on both sides and drew the inner mandala by drawing two arcs on the markings. And our guidelines are done. Mandala drawing. In the mandala drawing, I am going to trace all these lines with the pen. I am here using Micron 08 pen for the tracing, and to make the symbol thicker and bold, I am tracing these two circles 3-4 times so that it gets a thicker line. I thought a lot about what design should go well with this symbol, and after a long thought process, I decided to draw the lotus flower to the both sides of the symbol. In sacred geometry, the lotus flower holds profound symbolism. It is often associated with purity and beauty. And it symbolizes the journey from ignorance to wisdom. Like the lotus emerges from the mud to blossom into a beautiful flower, so like individuals strive to rise above their circumstances and achieve enlightenment. This lotus flower's ability to thrive in challenging conditions, it symbolizes the resilience and strength. It shows us how to keep going through tough times, making us stronger and more beautiful along the way. And the symmetrical and balanced nature of this lotus flower's petals, it reflects the principles of harmony and balance in sacred geometry. And that is why I decided to draw the lotus flower in this symbol, because this is such a powerful symbol of spiritual significance and divine beauty. I'm so sorry. Sometimes while drawing, I have to keep my hand absolutely straight and it comes in between the camera. And you can't see me drawing directly at that time. But that's a very tiny fraction, so I hope it doesn't make it difficult to understand. Although I'm going to do the shading in the whole mandala later once I'm done drawing, but I'm just completing the center of the mandala beforehand for the sake of the video, so it looks beautiful. And I'm completing the shading part of the center section. I'm using my graphite pencil, tortillons, and the white jelly roll pen to give it a complete look. If you are drawing along with me, then feel free to pause the video in between to catch up, as I generally skip the repeated drawing part in the video to keep the video length short. And once you are done drawing, then don't forget to share your artwork picture with me. You can share your artwork picture with me on my Facebook page post. If you want to draw the another version of this Vesica Piscis symbol mandala, you can see the link on the top right corner and you can unlock that by joining me as the Oak or the Above membership at the YouTube or joining me as the Patreon. And by joining me, you can unlock this video as well as all other members only videos at once. And in that way, you can support me too. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do it right now. It's absolutely free for you and it will help me in growing my channel. And I want to say thank you for your support. I have already drawn lots of other sacred geometry based mandalas. If you want to explore more sacred geometry based mandalas, you can check the link at the top right corner, and you can check the Sacred Geometry Mandala playlist at my YouTube channel. Most of them are available for everyone and they are free. Some of them you can unlock if you join me as the Oak member or at the Patreon. And now it's the time for the mandala shading. I'm using graphite pencil 4B for the shading. You can use any kind of the graphite pencil, whatever you have, or if you want, you can use other colored pencils for the enhancements. Tortillon works very nice for the blending of the graphite pencil. If you don't have the tortillons or the stumps, then you can use the Q-tip, tissue paper, or a cotton ball for the blending. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you are drawing this mandala, then don't forget to share your artwork with me. And again, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do so right now. If you love reading about these kind of artworks, you can check my blogs at my website at nparts.online. I take Zen art classes for adults in groups as well as for in person also, and they are online classes, so you can join from any part of the world. So if you are interested, you can message me directly to know about the details. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.